Pompita is a new fun range of fruit wines that we've developed in relation to all the different exciting cities in Spain. We have a range of 4 different products. The first is a 100% Tempranillo, based and inspired by Barcelona. Okay, these are fruit wines. They're low in alcohol. They have a little bit of gas. They have a little bit of pompa, a little bit of Pompita, that gives it a bit of lift. We have also a white wine, which is Macabeo. It's a grapefruit flavoured frizzante style wine, again low in alcohol, only 5.5%. And also we have a third in the range, which is the rosé, and that is Tempranillo again, a little bit of skin contact, and it's 5.5% based on watermelon flavour, and that's inspired by Ibiza. Well, Pompita, you can have this, I mean, in any moment of the day, really. I mean, it's a exciting wine designed for maybe for a young audience, but not necessarily only for a young audience. Always have it cold, over ice, maybe with a bit of fruit. Of course, we have some lovely blood oranges here, which you can combine with, or with obviously with grapefruit if you prefer. You know, it's just something to have as an aperitif. Enjoy it with friends. You know, these are a really fun size. It's half a litre format, so it's the perfect size for 2 people to share a good glass with. It's something for all occasions, for all ages, and for any time of the day. You know, what we want to focus on here is maybe the national market of Spain. You know, Pompita's really new. We've only started a couple of months ago, really. This product here, the rosé, was bottled last week, so you know it's just starting to get going. The word is getting out there. People come past us now and they have a look, and I think the eye is taken very quickly to Pompita because it's a good-looking brand and people are interested.